Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on display. Then scroll down again and click on easy mode over here. Following that, scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to easy mode. Then, as you can see when I click on home button, easy mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, you need to go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same switcher next to easy mode feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!